Hello, I'm going to teach you today how to choose an avatar and change the expression of the avatar as the user hovers over the avatar. So I have already chosen both avatars here, and now we're going to have to change the state. So we click on the avatar we want to change and go to states, edit state, and we're going to create a state by clicking the new state. And we're going to name it select me. We're going to change her expression. We're going to make her happy, and we're going to change her pose. She's going to say, yeah, you pick me. And let's do one more thing. Let's make her, make her glow. All right, so I think that's Maya. And now let's change Grace. Same thing, we edit the state and we're going to add a state. Select me. We're going to add it and we'll change her expression. We're going to make her happy and her pose. In her pose, she's going to give us thumbs up. You made a good choice. And we're going to make her glow too. All right. So now each one has a state and we have to make a trigger. So let's start with Grace. Oh, we gotta say done here. And now let's create the triggers. So we're going to change her state. And we're going to change the state to the state we created. It's up there hiding select me. When the user, we say hover over character 2. So change state of character 2 to the select me when the user hovers character 2. Okay. And now let's create one for Maya. Create new trigger. Change the state of character 1. Set the state to the one we created. Is up here. Select me when the user hovers character 1. Say OK. Alright, before we test this, I want to change the player. I want to remove everything in the player. I just want to have a white slate. And now let's preview it. So we have both characters. And when we hover over one, she tells us, hey, pick me. Or, yeah, pick me. And that's it.